Howdy y'all, I am going to start sanding and working on this cab. Yeah, I know it's a mess, I ain't been home, so I'm going to start taking down all the paint and taking everything out of here, organizing, getting that parking brake cable undone, which I think is being a pain in the tail, so, but, yeah. Howdy y'all, I'm sanding on this. Folded my piece of sandpaper up and going in the corners and the creases, and just want to get all the places you can't get your sander in with that. Obviously I need to take it down plenty more, but I'm just kind of showing y'all. Kind of going around all your creases and corners, nothing you can get to with a sander. As y'all can see, floor pans are out of this dang thing. Gotta fix that on the dash. But I may, for now, put the in-cab tank back on, or I may make a gas tank for the back, or I think I have extra dual tanks off of a square body, so I may do that and or see if there's anything for a Ford, but yeah. On here it is gonna get taken down to bare metal, so